Oh, hey, welcome back to another Chef Behind the Scenes Extra Bite of the Week. And today I want to talk about two kitchen disasters. I didn't know how many I was going to talk about, but I'll talk about two. One kitchen disaster that happened to me that really sticks out of my head. Like anytime I think about a disaster, it always comes to mind because I used to work at a catering company when I was in culinary school, and we did a lot of weddings, which really is part of the reason why I don't do weddings now. But we did a lot of weddings, and I just remember this one time we were packing everything up, everything was ready to go. The wedding was probably in maybe 4 hours or so. I don't remember the time of the wedding, but I know we were getting there to get everything seared off and ready to go. And we forgot two carts at the facility. And for those of you that never done catering before, most of the time where your facility is, where your catering company is, and where the actual event is not close. Like it was not close. And I worked in Atlanta. And if you ever been to Georgia, to Atlanta, the traffic, I don't even have to say anymore. So we get there, everything's getting unpacked. It wasn't even my fault because I wasn't the person that was in charge of making sure that was on the truck, but we work as a team. We thrive as a team, we win as a team, we lose as a team. So we worked as a team that day and we all lost as a team, and it was horrible. And I think the idea of crushing someone's dreams or not really coming through for them on their wedding day freaks me out so much. That's why I don't like doing weddings. So that one is the number one. And then the second one is actually not super bad, but I remember I worked for this company out in Alaska, and I had just started where it was my first season working there, and we were doing lunch, and I put in the lasagna, but the ovens went out. Didn't check it because it's lasagna, it's in the oven. I did the hard work. I'm just putting it in the oven to finish it off. I go back to take this lasagna out and it is ice cold. Nothing has happened. The ovens were completely off. Had to call the engineer to fix the oven, to get it on. The hotel director at the time, luckily we knew each other from way back. So she was super cool about it, but I was freaking out. And I'm just like, these people are hungry. They're ready to eat. I'm ready for them to eat, and nothing. Nothing was working. So that one definitely sticks out to me as well. But I feel like every disaster has taught me something. You definitely don't want a disaster to happen. Let me tell you that. But if you learn from it, I don't feel like it's super bad. And those are my two. All right. I'll see you next time. Hopefully you don't have any kitchen disasters at your house. And you won't if you like, subscribe, and comment to my page. I'll see you next time. Have a good one.
Thanks for watching today's episode. I hope you enjoyed it and maybe even learned something. You know what to do next. Please hit those like, share, and subscribe buttons below and have a great day.